Well-maintained 3-bedroom 2-bath brick home featuring an open floor plan, vaulted and tray ceilings, granite countertops in kitchen and baths, stainless appliances, with beautiful wood flooring. The spacious screened back porch provides the perfect place to entertain or just relax and enjoy the view of the private wooded area behind the home. Fulton Place is a sought-after Foley community located just minutes from the beaches, shopping, restaurants, hospitals, golf, beach express, etc. Furnishings are negotiable.